All right, what up, B? I got it filled with Timo, so we're gonna roll it. I needed another spot, but I got it filled now with Timo and what up, B, so we are good right now. Let me get everybody typed in here. All right, I got everybody put in here. Box 2, so we're going 1, 2. Is this the one, Timo? Let me know. I usually go left to right, starting on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'd normally call this 2. Okay, I got all the names inputted. All right, that's the number 2 box. Get this up here. Let's kick on over. Sorry. Let's kick on over here. All right, here's the list. All right, that's how they're going in. We're gonna random the names first. So, Snake Eyes, we're gonna call 3. And anything else is the number we roll, so. The number is 6. So we're gonna go 6 times here with your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, there it is. 6 times right there. Timo filling up the top 19 spots. All right. Lined up, matched up. Let's roll the teams. Alphabetical order. You know the drill. Snake Eyes is 3. 11. Okay, all the teams alphabetical order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Did it not do 11? I'm going to save that just to be safe. Copy that. Try that again. 11. All right, there's 11 right there. Number 11. Copy. Paste. So here is your teams right there. Let me bring this into view so you guys can see them. There's your teams. I'm gonna let you guys take a look at that. I'm gonna print it off. Let me bring these in a little tighter so you guys can see a little bit better. All right. Let's do it. Moving on over. Good luck, everybody. Let's pull some monsters here. I need to end on a good note. Let's just leave them like that. All right, here we go. Good luck. Yep, fire. We need some fire. These packs are always so hard to get open. Manny Machado there, bottom. These are all the base cards. Randy Johnson. The 3000 Club. Not numbered. We're looking for these to be numbered. They make some artist proofs too, but that's not it. That is not it. I've seen some pretty cool cards come out of these though. Got some neat one of one cards. Lou Gehrig, Jake Rogers, Roger Hornsby, Josh Rojas. Here's a parallel, but what happened to that card? That is not good at all. The Mega is 65 on the website. There's Ohtani. But I'm ready to roll, so let me know what we got to do. I want to open some packs. Rizzo, Killebrew, Larson, Harper, Alvarez. Is it numbered? Nope. Haven't had our first hit yet. I think it's coming right now. Come on. Be something good. There's a Robert. Machado. Not numbered. Larry Walker. All right, here comes our first hit. A Witt would be nice, yeah. Oh, Bo Bichette. Wow, what a hit, boys. What a hit. Look at that Bo Bichette. Wow. Nice. Dual patch. Got some blue and red on there. Nice Bo Bichette right there. That's worth putting up. Nice little Bo Bichette. Let's go ahead and figure out who got that. Who has Toronto? Had to look at that twice. Looks like Timo. That's a nice hit. Nice hit, Timo. Yep, that is fire right there for real. Dual patch auto, Bo Bichette. That's legit. Dustin May, Bumgardner, DiMaggio. What do we got here? Downtown. Sorry, I had to sneeze there. Frank the Tank. Not numbered. Mel Ott, Joe Jackson, Kurt Schilling, framed parallel, not numbered, Eddie Murray, haven't seen him in a long time. All right, we got one more hit in here, so let's see what it is. Yelich, Javier Baez. Is it numbered? Nope. I don't have any basketball, sorry. No basketball. Sorry, I'll move these over a little. DK Originals. Not numbered. Harmon Killebrew. That's a thin pack, so I know that doesn't have it in it. Josh Bell, Cal Ripken. Jose Ramirez, not numbered. I think it's on the bottom pack. I think it's the bottom pack. Pete Rose. Framed parallel. Not numbered. Pete Alonso. The Mets. Jackie Robinson. Alright, I think we're going to get our second hit in the last pack. It's going to go down to the wire. Down to the wire. Alonso again for the Mets. Pete Alonso. Okay, last one. Need something big. Satchel Paige. Buster Posey. Let's leave that right there. Artist Palette. Francisco Lindor. Richie Ashburn. All right, here goes the last hit. Who do we got? George Polanco. Nice little patch. Is that numbered? No number. Not as good as that Bo Bichette, but... So there's the two hits right there. Let's find out. That's for Minnesota. Minnesota. Who's got Minnesota? Timo again. So you got both those, Timo. Really like that Bo Bichette. Nice looking card. That guy's gonna be a stud. Yeah, mahalo. I'll get these put away. Yeah, it does look great. Wait till you get it. Looks real nice. So, all right, well, thank you guys. It's kind of slow tonight, so. Don't really see anybody else wanting to do anything, so. Might as well show that off one more time. I'll get that sleeved up, get them mailed out to you. Should probably get them out tomorrow, so. Thank you again.